Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan here at detailking.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at our new product, Cleaned and Dressed Interior All-in-One. Cleaned and Dressed is a one-step solution for a clean, dressed, and factory-looking interior. It is formulated with UV blocking agents and odor neutralizers. Now, this all-in-one interior cleaner and dresser is perfect to use on door panels that have light dust, grime, or dirt buildup, like this one here from this caddy that's been sitting for a while. So, to use the product, we're first going to give it a good shake, and then we'll fold our interior microfiber towel in the fours, which we already have done, and then we're going to spray it on just a few times onto our towel. And then we'll begin cleaning the door. Then we'll flip our microfiber towel over to a clean side and buff in the product. This is going to leave us with a nice satin finish, giving it a pretty much factory new look. So that's how you use Cleaned and Dressed on a panel that has light dust or grime. Now it also leaves behind a coating that will help repel future dust and dirt. So Cleaned and Dressed can be used as purely just a dressing as well. Here we have a completely clean panel that we put a 50-50 line down the middle, and we'll show you guys just how well it works as a dressing. We have a black nylon applicator. Fold it in half, rub it together so it's even. You guys can clearly see the difference. Okay guys, so that's our Cleaned and Dressed Interior All-in-One. For any of the products you saw today or any other auto detailing products, make sure you visit us right here at detailking.com, where we have all the products you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.